Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Kasorkar Jala Meghalaya hadu menta kadang ap ye kajing ajing ben jong kasorkar pedeng na kabenta banit siaw da ka lingson ye kinong snong kani ka jala ki basakot chabar ka jala ha ka bede bat kani na kalyang jong menteri rangba kani ka jala u Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha ka jing kren bat kinong patai kubor hadien balakot ka dorbar mangtingka ha ka sing baningkong jong ka ying dorbar thawan ka jala ka balasdang ha ka arpo tering menta bana jemang arajan arpo ulai tu ba watla kasorkar Meghalaya kalapan sew ya kabailanti na kamenta kinong snong kani ka jala ki bawan pai da karel henry ki dangdon pat ki pajba ki bakloi ban bai hi ya ka jinglot jingsap la da ki yolan ban wan pai no shala ka jong ka jala da ka lingsun.
Basically, for the trains, government of Meghalaya is paying. But for the flights, there have been a lot of people who have said that they are willing to pay for the flights. That is the tickets that we have. So because of that, we got in touch with a lot of airlines and we got different prices and quotations for it. And some quotations were very reasonable. So for example, the average price ticket was coming to anything between, depending on location, to 7,000 rupees to 11,000 rupees, depending on the distance. So we felt that that kind of pricing of a ticket was reasonable, keeping in mind even the social distancing factor and the seats have to be reduced and all of that. So now the next step, of course, is to get the permission from MHA and from Civil Aviation Ministry. And that permission we did not get yet. So therefore, we were not able to go for the plane option, though we had done our homework and we were prepared for all of it. But the trains have started, so I think that has eased 70 to 80% of the problem. And I think we'll continue doing that. There are trains now, they're going to depart from Hyderabad, from Gurgaon, from Mumbai, from Pune. So all those things are being moved. In Delhi also, I spoke to Honorable Chief Minister Delhi yesterday. I spoke to one of the Honorable Ministers from Hyderabad yesterday. So both have committed that they'll be sending the trains. Hyderabad has responded immediately. They're sending the train tomorrow itself. And Delhi said that they will do it immediately. So like that, we are looking at it. But yes, plane is an option. But we are looking at we're waiting for the government, the central government, to give us some planes. Don't say that that it may or may not be. But it's I think one cannot expect also in a train like this that there will be 100%. Social distancing that can be maintained. It is really a critical situation, a crisis situation. We are trying to get our people here. We can only urge everybody that try to maintain their hygiene and the distance as far as possible. There could be cases where people are not able to maintain it, but I think in circumstances like these, one can expect it. But we still would urge, and we are still trying our best to ensure that it is minimized.